Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This Bizzy Birdz natural rope and wooden plank toy will satisfy many of your bird's entertainment needs. It has a natural rope to climb and chew on and wooden planks to chew and spin. For lots of playtime fun, order today.